What are the rules for 401 degrees Kelvin withdrawals? If you are curious about how to access your retirement savings, you are in the right place. Understanding the rules for withdrawing from a 401k plan can help you make informed decisions. Let's break it down. A 401k is a retirement savings plan that allows employees to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. The standard age to withdraw funds without penalties is 59.5 years. If you take money out before this age, you will typically face a 10% early withdrawal penalty, along with regular income tax on the amount withdrawn. However, there are exceptions to this rule. One of them is known as the Rule of 55. If you leave your employer during or after the calendar year you turn 55, you can withdraw funds from that employer's 401k plan without the 10% penalty, even if you are younger than 59.5. This rule only applies to the 401k plan of your most recent employer. Certain public safety employees, like firefighters and law enforcement officers, may withdraw funds penalty-free starting at age 50. Additionally, hardship withdrawals are allowed for immediate and heavy financial needs. These needs can include medical expenses, tuition payments, or preventing foreclosure. Keep in mind that hardship withdrawals are still subject to income tax and may incur penalties unless an exception applies. Once you reach the age of 73, you must start taking required minimum distributions from your 401k plans. The deadline for this is April 1st of the year after you turn 73. If you are still working and not a 5% owner of the company, you may delay these distributions until after you retire. Failing to take these distributions on time can result in a 25% tax penalty on the amount that should have been withdrawn. Some plans allow loans, which means you can borrow money from your account and pay it back with interest. Loans are not taxable unless you fail to repay them. On the other hand, withdrawals permanently remove money from your account and are subject to taxes and possible penalties. If you want to move your funds, you can roll over your 401k to another qualified plan or an individual retirement account within 60 days to avoid taxes and penalties. However, rolling over may affect your ability to use exceptions like the Rule of 55. Employers must provide clear plan documents that outline withdrawal rules and exceptions. It is essential for employees to verify their eligibility for penalty-free withdrawals based on their age and employment status. Understanding these rules helps employees make informed choices about accessing their retirement savings while staying compliant with legal requirements. In summary, the rules for 401k withdrawals are designed to encourage saving for retirement while allowing some flexibility for early access under specific conditions. Always review your plan's provisions and consider the tax implications before making any withdrawals.